In Telangana, a spare pantry coach and an AC coach kept near railway overbridge near Rail Nilayam in Sikandrabad caused fire. The fire was soon doused off by the fire tenders. No casualties or injuries were reported. D. Mohan Rao, Station Fire Officer, Sikandrabad says, "We received a fire call from Fire Control Room around 10:50 am. We rushed here immediately and extinguished the fire. One pantry coach and one AC coach, which were spare and kept here on track, had caused fire. No injuries or loss of life were reported. 5 fire engines turned up here."
సార్ అక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కొంచెం ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయిన దాంట్లో వస్తుంది తప్ప ఫైర్ ఏం లేస్తారంట. తీసుకోవాలి పైకి వచ్చి ఇట్లా పైకి వస్తుందా ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 నిమిషాలు. ట్రైన్కి సంబంధం లేదు వాళ్ళు రైల్వేకి సంబంధించిన అక్కడ వరకు వెళ్ళి అవసరం ఒక్కసారి అది
we 10:50 around fire. We have received a fire call from fire control room, and we turned out immediately and we should extinguish the fire. There is one pantry coach and one AC space, which is a spare we kept here on the track.
So, during when this incident was taking place, was there any person inside the?
Nobody is there. No injuries, no life loss. Mostly property loss also very low.
So, how did the officials got the information about this incident?
We have received some I think railway SI called to our fire control room. We have immediately we received from our fire control room. We turned out immediately, but we thought it is very big. Hence we received. We turned out the 5 vehicles from various locations.
Yeah, so totally how many engines have been here, sir?
5 engines. Five fire engines turned out. Yeah. First for Sikandrabad fire station and to Snarkal, Malkajgiri, Mushirabad, and here from here. Okay.
Can you know your name and your designation?
D. Mohan Rao, Station Fire Officer, Sikandrabad. Our officials also attended. Sir.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.